Hello, my name is Ashley. I work for the International Recruitment Office at the University of Regina. The U of R is one of the top 15 comprehensive universities in Canada and is located in Regina, Saskatchewan. We have a wide range of programs available, as well as opportunities for experiential learning and co-op internships. We currently have over 3,000 international students from over 60 countries studying with us. The University of Regina is a great choice for international students planning to study in Canada. The U of R has partnered with Canam for many years. We are happy to work with them as an official agent, as they are dedicated to helping students and are very knowledgeable about student recruitment. You can apply to the U of R through Canam, as they know our procedures very well and they are our partnered agent. The University of Regina will be joining the Canam Education Fair on April 22nd. We would be happy to meet you. Please book appointments with room number 77 through your Canam counselor to arrange a convenient time. We look forward to our continued collaboration with Canam and are excited to welcome more students from India this year. Thank you and see you soon.